नमस्कार दोस्तों, जय हिंद, जय भारत। टुडे इन दिस वीडियो I will cover singular and plural nouns. Singular nouns are the nouns that refer to one person, idea or thing. Example, Tashi bought a gift for her mother. Here the word a gift represents one thing. So this is a singular noun, whereas plural nouns refer to more than one person, idea or thing. Example, Tashi bought many gifts for her brother. The word gifts here refer to more than one thing. There are several ways to form plurals of singular nouns. We can add s to make some nouns plural. Example, chair. We add s to the word chair to make it plural. To the word picture, we add s and the plural noun becomes pictures. If any noun ends in s or double s or x or sh or ch, then we add es to form the plural of that noun. Example, bus, bus. Here the noun bus ends in s, so we add es in the end. The plural form of this bus becomes buses. Similarly, for box, the plural becomes boxes. For church, the plural becomes churches. If any noun ends in y and there is a consonant before the y, we drop the y and add ies. Example, the word baby becomes babies because in the end of the word baby y is there and before y a consonant is there. Similarly, for lady, the plural form becomes ladies. If a noun ends in y and there is a vowel before the y, then simply add s to make its plural form. Example, we add s to make plural of boy. For making plural of toy, we add s and the plural form becomes toys. For most nouns that end in f or fe, we drop the f or fe and add ves. Example, the word knife. Here in the end fe is there, so we drop this fe and add ves. So the plural form of knife becomes knives. Similarly, for leaf, the plural becomes leaves. To most nouns that end in o, we add es. Example, mango becomes mangoes. Tomato becomes tomatoes. Some nouns remain unchanged in the plural form. Example, sheep, deer, fish. They don't change in the plural form. Some nouns change in an irregular manner. Example, ox becomes oxen in the plural form, whereas foot becomes feet. There are some nouns that are always plural. Example, scissors, trousers, clothes. They are already in plural form, so they don't change. Sometimes the plural is formed by adding s to the main word in a compound word. Example, for the word son-in-law, s is added to the main word son in the compound word, so its plural form becomes sons-in-law. Similarly, for sister-in-law, the plural form is sisters-in-law. When we change the singular nouns in a sentence into their plural forms, we often need to make some other changes in the sentence also. Example, for a or one cup, we have to write many cups. This cup, we have to write these cups. For that cup, we have to write those cups. For the cup is red, we have to change this is as are. So the sentence becomes the cups are red. One more example, the cup was broken. For changing this word cup into plural form, the sentence becomes the cups were broken. Similarly, the changes can be seen. Next is countable nouns. Nouns that refer to entities that we can count are called as countable nouns. Countable nouns have singular and plural forms. We use a, an, many, some, any, few or a few before these nouns. Example, a bird, 10 birds, a book, an umbrella. Here a and n represents only one item, whereas this 10 represents 10 items. Uncountable nouns are the nouns that refer to entities that we cannot count. They are always used in singular form. Example, air, information, weather, music. We use expressions like enough, much, some, any, little, a lot of, or plenty of before some uncountable nouns to indicate quantity. Example, a little sugar, plenty of water, some advice. Sometimes we count the number of containers which contain these uncountable things to express quantity. Example, a bucket of water, 3 packets of salt, a glass of water, 2 cubes of sugar. Some and any can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. Example, some books, a kettle of tea, some water, any cups. That's it in this video. In the next video, I will cover more about nouns. Up till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.